Klingsporn is the Tartan High School boys basketball coach. For over 15 years, Mark has assisted the facility use office with scheduling, equipment, and event setup. Each year, he prepares a gym calendar for Tartan events. He shares the calendar with us, communicates changes, and helps resolve scheduling conflicts. Last year, he provided detailed information about how to safely run games, tournaments, and practices during COVID. We were able to incorporate those safety protocols into our COVID preparedness plans. Mark's knowledge of coaching and basketball has had a significant impact on many youth, their families, and the youth athletic organizations in our community.
It's rewarding to see their growth through their years, not only in high school, but some of them I get to meet in middle school as well.
Mark has helped community youth basketball groups plan, organize, and run tournaments. He has volunteered many weekend hours to supervise the building at these events. Mark has run free coach training clinics for community athletic organizations and volunteered his time to offer youth basketball clinics in our district.
First of all, I'm a graduate of it myself, so I've given back to our community, which is a big point of pride for me. My own sons and daughters went here, my brothers and sisters went here.
Coach K's summer clinics are the best. The kids look forward to attending his clinic every year. He knows each kid in the program by their first name. If you ask him for a couple minutes to talk, he will give you 20. That's just who he is. We are so lucky to have someone like Coach involved in our community.
I think you get more value out of and you get more self-gratification on what you have done for others.